My name is Lee Hendrick. I am finally starting to almost speak again. Just a little bit though, but I am practicing it every day in the mirror. I mean, just like screaming out to what I need to almost scream out.
Well, I just want to start off this, when I was about 3 to 4 years old, from what my mother told me, I started to almost stutter at that time. And then I'll tell you something right now. My father had it too, and then the way that he was actually taught, was actually pretty intense, and then in the way, I mean, it was just the wrong way. And then right now, I mean, just the way that I'm just starting to learn how to talk again, and then I mean, it's the most, I mean, it's the most good feeling that I have ever felt in my life, and then I can finally, just be myself onto who I really am inside. But when I was a kid, I had no proper knowledge of of how to actually quit almost stuttering, because when I was like a kid, I mean, I was scared, and that I would actually lock myself into my own room because I was so scared of being around my mom and dad, because I don't know how badly.
This guy is amazing. This is Lee Hendrick. I saw him about 3 months ago, and we have done about 6 to 7 classes now together, how to overcome stuttering. As you know, I used to stutter a lot. This guy has overcome his stuttering completely, and he's the man. If he can overcome his stuttering, you can too. And he got it right, and he followed my classes, and he followed me to the T. Everything, whether I was teaching him meditation, whether I was teaching him breathing exercises, whether I was teaching him about reason theory, he did it. He wrote it, and he did an amazing work.